What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going over another routine of the week, and it will be a beginner calisthenics routine. So we're gonna have a push-up variation, a pull variation, a squat variation, and a core variation. So I'll have progressions on the screen here. Without further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna start today's workout with push-ups. Make sure you guys do a little warm-up beforehand, some jumping jacks, some arm circles to get going. And our two modifications for this exercise are gonna be knee push-ups or modified push-ups on the floor and box push-ups. As the box gets higher, your push-up will get easier, so feel free to adjust as needed. The next exercise is 10 Australian rows, otherwise known as inverted rows. For modifications, we have straight legs out, which usually makes this exercise harder, or we have an elevated bar, which usually makes the exercise easier by virtue of lifting less of your body. Next up is 20 bodyweight squats, and squatting is highly variable. So everybody has a slightly different technique or a different ability or different level. So the modifications I have on screen are box squats, which makes it a little bit easier for you to get down. You also have an object that you can tap for a little bit of feedback, and then heel elevated squats, which again, depending if you're looking to make your squat a tiny bit lower or even just make it more comfortable for your knees, can actually help you. You don't have to elevate on a platform, it can be on a plate. For the last position, we're keeping our rib cage down and holding a posterior pelvic tilt. We're holding this position for 30 seconds, and this is the hollow position 1, otherwise known as the dead bug, at least on this channel. Mimics a lot of the metrics you would use for a traditional dead bug you might find in the physiotherapy world to help with low back pain or strengthen the core. So that's why I refer to it a lot as the dead bug. Anyways, here you can see the hands are up and then I bring them down. Usually the supinated or palms up position will provide a little bit easier position. And then the one I'm about to do here, because I definitely went over the timer with my hands behind my head, is actually a little bit harder because I'm changing the leverage. This position we're holding for 30 seconds. Remember, all these exercises you're doing for 4 sets with only a minute break between sets to get a crazy pump. All right, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching today. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Leave some questions down below or some skills that you might want to see tutorials on. I'd love to hear back from you guys. And until then, continue getting the gains. Remember, the beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you, and we'll see you in the next one.